my DIY epic fail. I started with three counts of mini signs from the Target line Spritz. I ended up paying less than $1 per 3-pack. I went ahead and removed the rope that attached each one, and I simply went ahead and used a little bit of hot glue to glue the backing back to make it smooth. One of my first fails involves not having any brown paint. So I went ahead and made some using yellow, red, blue. Other DIY fails that you'll notice is that I chose to use the rope that came with the actual mini signs as opposed to using the actual jute rope that I originally planned to use. So I went ahead and I used the brown paint that I did make, as well as the existing rope that came with the signs. I went ahead and decided to spell out joy and put embellishments on them, as well as use some of the other products that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. One thing to note that normally helps whenever you're creating a DIY, whether it's from the Dollar Tree, whether it's from Target dollar section, or whether it's like me, just finding a good deal on mini plaques from Target, is to have a clear vision on how you plan to use the item that you're going to create. I'm tempted to go back and redo this using these existing items later to go ahead and make decorations, like to make stars, snowflakes, a snowman, reindeer that can actually embellish one of the joy signs. So here you'll see I use sequins pieces that I purchased from Joann, and I actually got it for under $1 as well. I realized hot glue was not going to work for this one, so I actually used regular Elmer's glue. Any basic glue would work for this. The problem here is that I began to get tired, and I probably should have gone ahead and taken a break. This particular set looks okay on its own, but again, I really only needed to make probably one joy sign as opposed to making 3 of them. And so the DIY fail continues, as you can see. And also, just to go ahead and mention while you're watching this, is that I like to not only showcase the highs and the wonderful DIY creations that I make, I also want you to know that some of us are human and that we actually do have fails. And when we fail, some of us fail epically or spectacularly. So I just want to give people hope that you can always get better at this craft and any other craft or trade that you are perfecting or working on or interested in becoming a part of. It's always good to work on self-improvement, and this is just one of those things. I worked on this. I had an idea. It didn't come out as planned because my idea was not, again, very clear, especially on how I planned to use this, or whether or not I was going to give this away as a gift, whether or not I was going to hang this in the window, on a counter. I didn't have a clear vision on how this would be used. And again, I used Dollar Tree ribbon, and I simply used hot glue to actually glue the pieces in place. And on the last one, I used some of the star ribbon from Dollar Tree. Here, it just went from bad to worse, as you can see. And the hot glue did not stick as well as I wanted it to. Probably should have used E6000. Since I wasn't happy, I went ahead and added additional embellishments, and that's where things just went from bad to worse. And again, I just wanted to go ahead and show you one of my DIY epic fails. And again, we do post videos weekly. We thank you for your time. And you can also follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, and again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.